Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix a space heater that's hardwired that's not working. In this case, the heater is turning on and the fan is on, but the heating element keeps turning off. So first thing we want to do is take a look at the model number, see what we're working with. So if we need parts, then we're going to take a look inside. So we're going to disconnect the power, verify that it turns off. We're going to take this mounting bolt down, and the conduit holding the wires we're going to undo just to give us some more room to work with. And then we're going to take the hanging bracket off, which is just 4 bolts. And we're going to take the top cover off, which is just some Phillips head screws. Now we have access to the limit switch, or the automatic reset, which, spoiler alert, that is the problem. So down below is all the control parts, and here is the limit switch. I can't show it to you really with the camera, but the wire is all fried up, so I know that this is the problem. Here's the new one, and you can see it running up through the heater, and it just takes the temperature of the heating element and turns it off when it's not appropriate to as a safety precaution. So we're going to pop the little holding tabs out a little bit, as you can see I just did, and we're just going to fish this out while not trying to lose those metal tabs that hold it in place. So with it out, we just want to fish it out, straighten it out, and pull it through the access port. And it comes right out, and here's the old one. You can see that that wire actually completely got burned up. Now we pop it off the bracket. Here's the new one, and we're just going to straighten it out. Very careful, because that center copper coming out of that center is fragile, so don't bend it too much, but you can straighten it out. And we're just going to fish it back through. There's the access port, and we're just going to, before we put it on the bracket, we're just going to get it in a close position and get those metal tabs back in place. And then we're going to just put them back and line up that wire so that it gets a good temperature reading of the heating element. And you can see it's kind of back end spot all the way around on the tabs touching the element. And I just did a couple wire nuts to install the new automatic reset. And now we can start putting everything back together. And just do it in reverse order, just like everything earlier. And then put it back up on the wall and make sure it works. Sometimes if this is the problem, the heater will turn on just for a brief seconds, and then the reset will turn it off. In this case, it was so fried out it just wouldn't turn on at all. But now we got hot heat, so we're all done.